Yay, Seth! The train's moving! Look at the train, Seth! Woo-hoo! Look at the train! Make it go! Choo choo!
Here, bud. Now take this and you push it. Whoa.
Here it comes!
Press the whistle.
Yay, Seth! Look, Seth, you're making it work! Yay! Seth, you're making it work! It's working, Seth. You're doing it. Choo choo. Yay. Uh-oh. Woo. Yay, Seth. Uh-oh. Choo choo. You're doing a good job, Seth.
I'm gonna have to show this to Nicole because she thought that he wouldn't be interested in the train set.
Oh, yeah. You can do it, Seth.
Push it back.
Push it.
Push it back.
Push it. Good job. Whoa. That was wild.
It took off.
Good job. Uh-oh. Good job, Seth. He goes backwards. See? You can do it.
Go all the way back so you can unload the cargo.
There you go. Now you can unload it, see? You come down here and you pick it up. Woohoo! See? And you put it here. Yay! Then it slides down. Yay! You got it, Seth. Make it go choo-choo. Push it. Push that. You can do it. Push the button. Now push this. Good job. Yay!
Now we just need to get you a little conductor's hat.
You're doing good job. You can do it. Yeah, it's a train. It's a choo-choo. Yeah, it's a choo-choo train. Yeah, it's over here. It's right there. You gotta go pee? You gotta go potty? Seth, you gotta go potty?
Come here, buddy.
Okay, let's turn it off for a minute.
Where's Seth?
Okay, we'll turn it off.
Seth, come here.